Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump a Genesis G80. First, put both cars in park and set parking brakes, then open both hoods and locate the batteries. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion and clean if necessary using a brush and protective gloves. Keep metal tools away from terminals and have a helper hold the other car steady. We will cover safe cable connections, starting tips, and post-jump checks to protect your car. Get ready by bringing the donor car close, about 1 foot apart, then engage both parking brakes and switch off all accessories. Put on gloves and safety glasses, and if you have a voltmeter, confirm the dead battery reads under 12V. Arrange jump cables untangled, with red clamps for positive terminals and black clamps for ground. Make sure both engines are off during cable hookup and everyone stands clear from moving parts. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for dependable comfort that outlasts road trips and cold mornings. I toss mine in the glove box for emergencies and comfort on long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by connecting the red clamp to the positive terminal on the Genesis G80, then to the donor car positive terminal, ensuring secure contact. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and place the final black clamp on a clean, unpainted metal grounding point on the Genesis away from the battery. Start the donor car, let it run for several minutes, then try starting your G80. Remove cables in reverse order and keep the engine running to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.